Get the fuck out. Get out. Get your ass out. Get the fuck out. Get out.
He shut the door on us.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get the fuck out.
He just said yes.
Get out. Get out.
I can't believe they shut
Get the fuck out.
And people can't do
Go. Go.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
Get the fuck out. Go.
Come on. I'm going.
Stop playing, nigga. Bro, stop. Go. I'm not playing with you. Get out. Go. Go.
Damn, I can't.
Get the fuck on. Ow.
Watch out. Watch out the cord. Watch out the cord. Watch out. The door slammed, and I said, somebody just slammed the door on us. Yeah, the door slammed.
What's going on with white boy? I mean, white speed.
What?
He's possessed. He's possessed. He's possessed. Is this holy water? Is this holy water? Is this holy water? Holy water.
No, that's not holy water.
That's not holy water.
Yes, it is.
What is it?
We need holy water.
Is that holy
Is this holy water?
Tonic water.
Tonic water.
Tonic water.
Tonic water.
Say my name. Don't come back.
It's active, bro.
I thought I was a little nuts. God, crazy.
You okay?
Alright, let's hit the road.
Help me. I need $1 if I can get one. Help me in the minute. Help me right now. I need $1.
Oh, you're possessed now.
Oh, man.
Oh Lord, how you doing?
What do you want from me?
How you doing?
What you doing, girl?
Man, I'm doing good.
You want something from me, girl?
You got some liquor?